It's the lips everyone is talking about. It's called the 90s lip, and it goes hand in hand with the latte eye makeup look. So here we go. I'm gonna show you how to get that 90s lip in just under a minute. So for a long wearing 90s lip, what you're gonna do is use one of your liquid lipsticks, which so many of us have. So you wanna get a tone that is more of a warm brown. I'm going to use the Galactic Playful shade. And here's a little beauty tip. Most doe foots have this flat edge right over there. But what we're gonna do, because we're gonna apply this as lip liner, we're gonna use the point as our lip liner. So here we go. I'm using you guys as my mirror. And I'm just drawing my lip. And it doesn't need to be perfect because when we put the lipstick on top, it's all gonna blend. So just put this here. I'm gonna take the Jello Gloss Balm in Barely Nude, and I'm just going to apply it on my lips. Mind you, this is a dream to apply. And I'm gonna blot my lips. And you've got a wearable 90s lip. I'm gonna do a zoom in so you guys can see. Okay, so for more dramatic look, I've gone ahead and just applied the shadow stick in Nutmeg, which is a perfect kind of matte tan brown color. This is one of my favorite shadow sticks. So I've just gone over the matte lip paint with the Jello Gloss Balm on top, and it's really made my lip look fuller, and it's taken it up a notch if you want a more dramatic lip. And it's gonna be long wearing because this is combined with the matte lip paints, which are an amazing formula. So it's not gonna budge. I really like it, and go and try this too. Bye.